Welcome back to the workshop, folks. Today I'd like to go over an essential tool for your workshop, the large
flathead
screwdriver.
There are many uses for this tool.
It's a can opener. It's a soft hammer. If you loan it to your wife, it's even a stir stick. It's a pry bar. It's a wrench for eye hooks and regular hooks. It's an impromptu punch. It's a chisel or scraper when you don't want to ruin your fine edged tools. Take that corning right off. In fact, the only job you probably won't be using this tool for is driving screws.